Alright, my intention with this project was to open source it so everybody could learn from it, make forks, try to add features. I noticed there is no README file here though, so I want to see if Windsurf can create one for me. I'm asking, I would like to open source this project. Please create a README file for GitHub that contains the following info: project description, technical requirements, how to install locally, how to initialize the database, how to run playwright tests, etc. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, we have 145 lines. It says I've created a comprehensive README that includes project overview and features, technical requirements, detailed installation instructions, database initialization steps, instructions for running the application, testing setup and execution, project structure, security features, contributing guidelines, license and acknowledgements. The README is formatted in Markdown and includes clear section headings, code blocks with bash commands, emojis for better visual organization, directory structure tree, list for easy reading. So let's take a look at what it generated over here. I think there's a way to view this better. Preview maybe? Yeah, okay. So we have knowledge base application, we get the bulleted list, technical requirements, how to install. I'm not actually going to test this, so I hope this is right. This all looks reasonable. It is using FlaskDB. That looks okay. Oh, that's interesting. Create an admin user with this step. Running the application, accessing the application, running playwright, running a specific test, that's cool. Test configuration. Tests use a separate SQLite database, admin credentials for tests. In the project structure, security features. We did the input sanitization. That was good and bad. That caused us some grief. Password hashing, CSRF protection, field length and data type validation, secure session management. We didn't do much with sessions and authentication, but there was that one little blip where they changed one of the session variable names, and that threw me out of the admin. So I think that is working at a base level. Contributing, MIT license, and acknowledgements. We acknowledge the Flask framework, Bootstrap for UI, Playwright for testing, and SQL Alchemy. So I'm going to make a couple of small edits to this. I'm going to push this up to the GitHub branch. Like I said, I didn't test any of this. It all looks reasonable. Feel free to pull this code down and let me know what you think.